Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and taking good care of yourself. Welcome to English of class 4. My dear students, as you all know that we have already started this unit 3, the busy ants, and in the previous lecture we have completed much work of this unit. So now in today's class we are going to continue reading comprehension and we are going to start exercise number D in our copy. So for that, open up your copies and your vision books too. So first of all, we will do exercise number D in our copy. In our previous lecture, we have completed exercise number A and exercise number C in our copy. And in today's lecture, we are going to do exercise number D in our copy. So you have to do this work in the sequence. First, we have completed exercise number A, then C, and now we are doing exercise number D. Now take out your stationery, take out your blue colors, sharp your pencils and mention today's date and classwork and homework. Sorry, you don't have to mention classwork, you have to mention homework. Now write down the question with me. The question is, write 2 sentences about each character. We have to write 2 sentences about each character. Now, what are the characters? Our first character is Queen Ant, and you have to write the heading of Queen Ant with the blue color and the rest of the sentences with the help of pencil. My dear students, your writing should be very neat and clean and you have to do your work by your own. Now we have to write about Queen Ant. The Queen Ant had a big head. She gave orders to the other ants. The Queen Ant had a big head. She gave orders to the other ants. Our second character is Badal. Badal was an irresponsible ant. Badal was an irresponsible ant. He tempted others to play and not to work. He tempted others to play and not to work. Our third character is Roshan. Roshan was an old wise ant. Roshan was an old wise ant. He carried bread to the anthill. He carried bread to the anthill. If you want to make sentences by your own, you can also make any of them. Now, our next exercise is exercise number E. And we have to do this exercise in our book. So open your books, page number 50. Our question is that we have to fill in the blanks with a suitable word. We have to fill the blanks with a suitable word from the text of our chapter. Our first blank is, it was dash season. The sun was shining brightly. The answer of this blank is on the very first page of this unit. It was dash season. It was summer season. The sun was shining brightly. Number B. Dash is the home of ants. Now this is very easy and we have discussed about this answer many times. Dash is the home of ants. Anthill is the home of ants. Anthill is the home of ants. Dash like to eat nuts. Do you like to eat nuts? Because I like to eat nuts, but we don't want to write our names. We have to write the name of the animal. Dash like to eat nuts. Squirrels like to eat nuts. The dash was blown by the guard. The dash was blown by the guard. The bugle was blown by the guard. Chand was dash of making rooms for the baby ants. Chand was in charge of making rooms for the baby ants. The dash was spilling in every room. The garbage was spilling in every room. The garbage was spilling in every room. The queen inspected the dash in the nursery. The queen inspected the larva in the nursery. The baby ants, the larva in the nursery. The black ants chased the dash ants. The black ants chased the red ants. Remember when they were playing with the grasshopper, Badal, Roshan and other black ants, when they were playing with grasshopper in the bushes, they chased the red ants who were carrying food for the winters, remember? Number I. In the evening, the ants were dash. In the evening, the ants were tired and went to bed early. Dash did not like to work. Dash did not like to work. Badal did not like to work. Number K. The grasshopper wanted them to see another dash in the ground. The grasshopper wanted them to see another flower in the ground. The ants dashed because of the cold. The ants shivered because of the cold. Now we also have completed exercise number E, and now moving towards our next exercise, which is exercise number F, and this is very easy. Our exercise number F is choose the best answer. Choose the best answer, and this exercise is also on the same page, page number 50. Do you all have mentioned the dates and homework? Very good. Now our first question is, the bees were collecting. Now who will tell me? You all are going to answer me now. The bees were collecting sugar? No. Nectar? Yes, the bees were collecting nectar. Who will tell me what is the nectar? We have discussed this word in our previous lecture in words meaning. Now don't open your words meaning. The bees were collecting nectar, and nectar, what is the nectar? Nectar is the juice of flowers. Nectar is the juice of flowers. Number B. Roshan should have dash when Badal asked him to play. Roshan should have refused politely. Roshan should have refused politely when Badal asked him to play. The next day, the grasshopper wanted to take them to a bee? No. The next day, the grasshopper wanted to take them to a ant? No. The next day, the grasshopper wanted to take them to a flower. Number D. The ants could still collect food if Badal was punished? No. Winter did not come? No. Number 3. Everyone helped to collect the food. If we have so much things to do and we are not able to do that work, so it's better to do with our friends or with more people so that we can complete our work easily with the help of others. Number E. The queen smiled because the larder was empty? No, if the larder was empty, she will get angry. So the queen smiled because the larder was full. Now moving towards our next exercise, and it is on page number 51. Exercise number G. Exercise number G is write true or false for the following sentences. We have to write either the sentence is true or it is false, and you have to write the answers with the help of blue color. Our first sentence is, The ants remembered what they were ordered to do when they saw that there was no food in the larder. It is true or false? The ants remembered when they were ordered to do when they saw that there was no food in the larder. The answer is true. The grasshopper was collecting nectar from the flowers. Is it true or false? This is false because this is the duty of bee, honeybee, to collect nectar from the flowers. The grasshopper was playing and chilling in the garden. He was not doing his duties. Number 3. All the ants started to think of a way to collect more food for winter. Is it true or false? True. The ants are dirty creatures. No, they are clean creatures. So this is false. The grasshopper also learned his lesson. The grasshopper also learned his lesson. This is true. So this is it for today's class. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Now moving towards our homework part. Your homework is you have to do exercise number D of reading comprehension in your notebook. Then exercise E, F and G in your book page 50 and 51. And learn vocabulary box of unit 2 care of old parents for dictation. In the next class inshallah I will take the test of unit 2 care of old parents of vocabulary box. So you have to learn vocabulary box and we will meet soon inshallah. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.